Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Black Flat Grill is probably one of the most versatile and essential kitchen appliances for any home cook looking to achieve that perfect sear on steaks, burgers, and even delicate fish, offering a consistent and even heat distribution that traditional pans often struggle to match, making it an indispensable tool for creating restaurant-quality meals right in your own kitchen. Number 5. Blackstone 36-inch 4-burner griddle. Unlock a world of culinary possibilities beyond traditional grilling. This versatile cooking surface is perfect for everything from stir-fried veggies to delicious quesadillas. Experience ultimate cooking control with 4 independently operated burners. Together, they deliver a powerful 60,000 BTUs, allowing you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously at precise temperatures. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the integrated front grease management system. It efficiently collects excess grease, making post-cooking tidying simple and quick. Designed for your convenience, its freestanding, wheeled design makes it easy to move around. When not in use, the foldable legs ensure compact and hassle-free storage. Get ready to grill right out of the box. This package includes everything you need, from foldable legs and a grease pan to a handy storage rack. What we like. This is a powerhouse for serious outdoor chefs. With 4 independent burners and a massive 60,000 BTU output, you can cook multiple dishes simultaneously at different temperatures. If you're looking to host large gatherings or prepare complex meals outdoors, this is the one for you. Its front grease management system also makes cleanup a breeze after those big cookouts. What people say. The grill heats up quickly and evenly, providing consistent cooking results. Its compact size makes it easy to store and perfect for small kitchens or apartments. The non-stick surface ensures food doesn't stick, making cleanup a breeze. Number 4. YOSUKATA 13.5 Carbon Steel Wok Pan. Experience the genuine taste of wok cooking with this 13.5-inch flat-bottom carbon steel wok. It's designed to lock in juices and flavors, perfect for preparing a variety of Asian dishes. This wok comes pre-seasoned at high temperatures, offering a great non-stick start right out of the box. It's made without synthetic coatings, ensuring it's 100% safe and non-toxic. Crafted from high-grade carbon steel, it ensures excellent heat distribution and durability for high-heat cooking. The ergonomic wooden handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. This isn't just for stir-fry, it's ideal for pan frying, braising, deep frying, searing, smoking, and steaming. It's compatible with all stovetops and outdoor cooking methods. It's light enough for easy handling and compact for storage, making it a great addition to your kitchen cookware and camping gear. Enjoy restaurant-quality results anywhere you cook. What we like. Experience authentic Asian flavors with this pre-seasoned carbon steel wok. Its deep design and excellent heat distribution are perfect for stir-frying, searing, and more, locking in juices and flavors. If you love authentic Chinese, Japanese, or Thai cuisine, or want a versatile pan for both kitchen and camping, this is your best bet. It's ready to go right out of the box with a great non-stick start. What people say. The grill heats up quickly and evenly, making it great for searing steaks. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick surface. The compact design is perfect for small kitchens and easy storage. Number 3. SHINESTAR 28-inch griddle cover for Blackstone. This cover is designed to perfectly fit your 28-inch Blackstone griddle with a hood, accommodating various models. Please measure your grill to ensure the best fit before purchasing. Constructed from rugged 600D heavy-duty polyester with reinforced stitching, it offers superior tear resistance for long-term outdoor use. It's built to withstand the elements season after season. Featuring a waterproof coating and ventilation design, it provides excellent protection against rain, preventing rust and corrosion. The vents also reduce condensation for a dry interior. Equipped with click-close straps, it locks securely in place, even in strong winds. You won't have to worry about it blowing away during storms. Its UV-resistant coating prevents fading, cracking, and brittleness caused by harmful sun rays. It will stay strong and look new, even after prolonged exposure to summer sun. What we like. Protect your investment with this heavy-duty, all-weather griddle cover. Built from rugged 600D polyester with a waterproof coating and UV-resistant finish, it offers superior protection against rain, sun, and fading. If you need reliable, long-term protection for your griddle, especially if it's exposed to the elements year-round, this cover with its secure windproof straps is an excellent choice. What people say. The grill heats up quickly and evenly, providing consistent cooking results. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, as food doesn't stick. Its compact design is perfect for small kitchens or limited counter space. Number 2. Cast Iron Flat Top Grill Insert. Enhance your outdoor cooking experience with this versatile flat top grill insert. It's designed to work seamlessly with gas grills, charcoal grills, and even during your camping BBQs. Ensure a perfect fit for your setup before ordering. Simply check the product photos and dimensions against your existing grill to guarantee compatibility. Crafted from high-quality cast iron, this insert is built for durability. It's ideal as a replacement or an add-on for routine use and seasonal refresh. Whether you're enjoying backyard cooking, patio grilling, or venturing out for a camping trip, this accessory is your go-to for delicious results. This is an aftermarket replacement designed to offer excellent performance. It's a great way to upgrade your grilling capabilities for various outdoor cooking adventures. What we like. Upgrade your grilling experience with this cast iron flat top insert. It's designed to enhance your existing gas, charcoal, or camping grill, offering a smooth, even cooking surface for a variety of foods. If you're looking to add versatility to your outdoor cooking setup or replace a worn-out grill surface, this insert is a practical and durable option for backyard or camping adventures. What people say. The grill heats up quickly and evenly, providing consistent cooking results. Its compact size makes it easy to store and perfect for small kitchens or apartments. The non-stick surface ensures food doesn't stick, making cleanup a breeze. Number 1. AWEASROY Griddle Cleaning Kit. Keep your griddle in top condition with our cleaning kit. Regular use prevents damage and ensures it lasts for years to come. Proper reseasoning will further enhance its longevity. This versatile kit handles all your cleaning needs. Scrape away residue, flip food with ease, and even chop ingredients. It's an indispensable tool for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Clean your grill safely, even when hot. The included handle protects you from burns, making cleaning on any surface a breeze. Installation and removal are quick and simple. Our natural pumice stone effectively removes tough stains and residue without scratching surfaces. It works wonders on various grill types, pots, and griddles. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This cleaning kit is the ideal addition to any backyard kitchen. It complements any grill and is perfect for anyone who loves to barbecue. What we like. Keep your flat top griddle in top condition with this comprehensive cleaning kit. It includes a grill stone, scraper, and brush to easily remove stubborn residue and stains, preventing damage and extending its lifespan. If you want to maintain your griddle's performance and appearance with minimal effort, this kit is a must-have accessory for any griddle owner. What people say. The grill heats up quickly and evenly, making it great for searing steaks. The non-stick surface is a game-changer, cleanup is a breeze. Its compact size is perfect for small kitchens or apartments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.